Today I'm going to show you some cheap Alabama RV camping at Brushy Lake Recreation Area in the Bankhead National Forest in Alabama. We share the best camping locations in the USA.
Hi guys, we hope you enjoy the video.
Check out our RV and camping related gear at our Amazon storefront. Link in video description. We're going to start with the day use facility. They have a very nice day use facility. Wait till you see this lake, folks. And then straight ahead, if you go past the day use area, there's a marker that shows you where the camping area is located. It's just at that turn. You can see where the road turns. That's where the camping area is located. You can also access it by foot from the day use area. So I'm going to give you a tour of the day use area here at Brushy Lake Recreation Area. Then we're going to go over, I'm going to show you the cheap RV camping you'll find next door. So in the day use area, they have quite a few picnic tables. There's a very large parking area. And then there are also picnic tables along the lakefront here. You have a restroom facility right in here. And they do have flush toilets and urinals in that day use facility. It's a beautiful lake. They also have a fishing pier out here. We're going to go check that out. But take a look at this lake. Brushy Lake. Little wind blowing today. Nice paved walking trail. It takes you along the lake. Beautiful day. Just a little bit of wind. And the same walking trail will take you right to the campground. And first we're going to hang a right. We're going to go out on this fishing pier, fishing dock. There was a little side trail that dipped down in here to give us a better vantage point before we go walk out on the dock. We can get a good view of the dock and the lake from right here on this point. Okay, we're heading over. I guess there's some shrubs right here obstructing our view of the fishing pier. So let's go out on that fishing pier, folks. Pretty nice looking fishing pier here. Pretty scenery. Right here from the fishing pier. Okay, let's go check the campground out. So yeah, I saw like a foot-long fish when I was walking off the dock. And by the time I got the camera on him, he went under a set of roots there by the shoreline. So the little kid's coming over, he's trying to catch that fish. But see, this takes you right into the campground. So let's check out this cheap RV camping that you'll find right here in Alabama in the Bankhead National Forest. So up that road is the entrance to the day use facility. This is the entrance to the campground. It does have an Iron Ranger still. Okay, fee information. Daily fee, $5 per site with the interagency pass, senior access, military, or golden passport, $2.50 per site. Yeah, I have a senior pass. My wife's got an access pass, so if we camped here, it would be $2.50 a night. Now that's cheap RV camping in Alabama, folks. And it goes on to say that the Brushy Lake Recreation Area campground offers camping without water and electric hookups, but water is available. Brushy Lake is open for use all year, and water is available from March through October. And right next to the feed station, you'll find campsite number 1. Nice looking campsite. There's campsite 2. Nobody's in campsite 2. Let's take a walk back in here. Pretty spacious campsite. Got a picnic table, fire ring, lamp post, some sitting blocks. And here's a look back at your campsite. Pretty sweet. Folks, I'm able to create videos like this because I've visited over 1,000 free and affordable camping locations from coast to coast. Our channel is all about free and affordable RV camping. If you like this type of content, pound the like button and make Melody happy. It's campsite number 3. Also a spacious campsite. Got a tent pad over here. Yeah. Campsite number 3. Directly across from campsite number 3, you'll find campsite number 12. They have some trash bins, vault toilets. And remember, you have flush toilets over on the day use side, and you can walk to there from here. The tent pad up here. Fire ring, lamp post. And there's a look back at your campsite. You got a narrow entryway there. You see you got a tree off to the right. And I don't know why they put these rocks in here. But you can get a camper in there. It's just if you had slides, that's going to be a problem. But there you go. Well, it's a second look, campsite number 12. You may be able to get a camper back in there far enough that if you had slides, you could wind them out. But this is why I do the videos. You can make the call. Campsite 11's right there, adjacent to the vault toilet. You got campsite 4 right here. Let's continue to walk the loop. So you have access to the vault toilets from this end as well. You have some more trash receptacles. And off to my right is campsite number 5. And a finger of the lake comes up into here. So let's take a look at what kind of view we got from this campsite. Is that number 5? Yeah, this is campsite number 5. Oh, you got a nice little view there. Well, the lake's not going to be on your sitting side, but you do have a picnic table to the rear of the site, and you would have a view of the lake from the picnic table area. So there's site number 5 for you folks. And there's Brushy Lake. So I'm walking out of site number 5 and I noticed a spigot. So let's see if we got Wawa. Let's do a function test. Yeah, we got water, folks. Okay, got campsite 10 off to my left. Number 9 is where the SUV's parked. But campsite 10 is a very long site. This is a very long site. And over here, this is probably 6. I don't see the number. But this is got a very steep drop off. And there's a little slant on this site, so I'd pass this one by unless you're tent camping. Yeah, I'm not enthused with campsite 6. But campsite 7's got some potential here, folks. Yep, campsite 7. That's a pretty wide site. You could get an RV in there, wind your slides out. This is your tent pad on the back end. But the lake pretty much dwindles down. You don't have very much of a view from this at this point. But that's campsite 7. You got your picnic table, lamppost, fire ring over there to the right, and here's your campsite. And one thing you need to be cognizant of is it's not that great of a turnaround area. I mean, if you jockeyed your camping configuration around, I'm sure you could get it turned around, but it's not that large of a turnarounding area, and they have it blocked off there. You can see the Forest Service has that blocked off. That would have been nice if they would have made that loop around. Imagine at one time it did. Let me give you some final thoughts on this cheap Alabama RV camping that I found here at Brushy Lake Recreation Area. I love doing these kind of videos, folks. I really do. You know, I'm retired. This is my hobby. But this is cheap RV camping in Alabama. $5 a night. If you have an access or senior pass, it's $2.50 a night. You have this beautiful lake. You have the day use facility, and I'm going to go up here in the shower house and see if it has showers. I know it has flush toilets because I went in there, but I did not check on the shower, so I'll do that on the way out. There's no cell service here, not a lick. You know, Melody and I have AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. There's nothing here, folks. So that's a consideration, although, you know, people have satellite internet now. Melody and I don't, not yet. That may come. But I really love doing these videos. If you are interested in free and affordable RV camping, I can tell you, no one does it like Living Our Dream now. They really don't, folks. Okay, folks, I have some administrative notes for you on this cheap RV camping opportunity in Alabama. What you're looking at on your screen is Google Maps, and I want to show you how to get in here, at least my experience of how I got in here. The way I went in, the way GPS routed me in, is not the way I would recommend. I found a better way on the way out, and that's what I'm going to show you in this portion of the video. This is Interstate 65 in Alabama. Here is the Bankhead National Forest, and Brushy Lake Recreation Area is located in the northern part of the Bankhead National Forest in Alabama. So let me zoom in a little bit. So here is Grayson. And here's Brushy Lake. And the way I went in was off of Route 33, which is a paved highway. It's a major thoroughfare going down through the forest toward, let's see, what is this town down here? Double Springs. So, but I got off, and this is the way you don't want to go in. The GPS routed me in on this Mount Olive Road, which is, I believe, Forest Road 70. And you can see the marker 70 here. It's either a county road or a forest road. And then I got off on this 71 and went the Brushy Lake this way. Mount Olive Road is not a good road. It's a gravel road. It's narrow. You have a narrow bridge right down here at this creek crossing. And then after I turned on at this intersection right here, after you turn on the 71, now you're on, that is a paved road. And the way I went out is instead of turning left and getting back on 70 and coming around this way to 33, I turned right, and this is all paved out through here. From Brushy Lake Recreation Area all the way out. If you take 70 this way and then connect in with 33, it's all paved highway. I could get my fifth wheel out there if I wanted to. As for the showers, there were no showers in the day use facility adjoining the campground. Folks, I hope you got something out of this video. That's why I make them. I'm going to leave you with some photos on the way out. Thanks for watching, folks.